Saturday, 4 p.m. the 24th? Yeah, November 24th. We had a little bit of a storm. Not much. But I thought I'd show you what they're chasing the storm out with. I don't know how well you can see it. And I'm not going to go out there very far, so this is right outside my door. I think you can probably get the idea. I'm just laying it out. Got a new one shooting through there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it through the tree. Just laying them down, one right after another. And the girls, let's see if we can get the girls. The strings are in the way. I was taking down some of this grapevine. See, I'm going to reorganize things there. In the spring I'll probably trim it back some, and I got to put better supports up for the grapes because it's turning out that they're a little heavier than I thought they were going to be. I was really pulling things down, so if I'm going to be here for next spring, I'm going to have better supports under there. So, oh, here comes one from the other direction. Let's see if I can catch it looking at it this way. I can see it, but I'm not sure how well you can see that. One's coming from the one direction, the other's going from the other direction. Just back and forth, covering the sky. That's usually how they do it, out towards the west. They just cover the sky from the west. We got a little more rain. I'm going to show you how deep. Because I think even with this latest one, I'm just in socks. So I really didn't want to come out here, but let's see if I can find a spot. This is already dry. The ground is hardly even wet. Okay, I'll come a little bit further over this way. Trying to find an open spot so it's there we are, hitting dry dirt already. A half an inch, maybe an inch down, it's dry. Bone dry underneath there. Can you tell? Bone dry. So, does that give you an idea of how much rain we're getting? The rain is not even making it through an inch of light topsoil. So what do you think the trees are going to get out of this? A big nothingness? Oh, dripping chemtrails. Love to see those things dripping through the sky as they blanket the place. Looks like there's another storm trying to come at us from the west, as usual. What is it, girls? Huh? It's about time for you guys to go to bed. Yeah, the sun's going down. This is when they tend to do it. Cover the sky with the chemtrails at sunset. So, there it is. dry dirt. And that was our big storm for the week. Enough rain to get a little bit of weeds growing, but not enough to water the trees or replenish any of the groundwater. Is it a plan or is it just some bizarre accident? Oh boy, I don't know if you can see the new little stripes going on out there in the deep in the clouds. But yeah, they're busy at it. Insane. Something they do not want is the water dropping here in Northern California. Oh, I'll show you what I set up for the turkeys. I put there, let me see if I can back this out enough. This is my greenhouse. I put their food in there and a perch in there, prop the door open, so if they're inclined to want to get out of the rain, they could do it in there, but I don't know if they will. They don't really know about going indoors. So I'm in my disaster out here. So I'm still cleaning stuff up and getting rid of stuff. Alright guys, take care. Alright, say bye to the turkeys. Good night, turkeys. Good night, Red. Good night, Ruby. Good night, Tom.